Traders Spotlight here. It's time for the Lunchtime Market Update for Wednesday, April the 7th, 2021. I hope everybody's having a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's check and see where we are at the market here today. So SPX, guys, up 37 cents. Huge day today. We got Fed minutes coming up this afternoon, so we'll see how those end up turning out. Weekly chart still, again, it was all about Monday to get this thing going, and then we still have not gotten overbought yet here on the RSI, but we'll see how that goes here going into the rest of this week and into next week, so that could be interesting as well. So the daily chart, so again, daily chart still kind of chopping around. Double doji day today. Oh my goodness, which way is this thing going to go? We'll see. It could be, if anything, it looks like a double doji sandwich, but it could be a double doji reversal, so we'll see which way that goes here. Again, the low volume here is just brutal, right? So an inside day today, guys. If it's an inside yesterday's narrow range day, right, that could be a NR7 inside day again. It was the last narrow range NR7 inside day. We got a nice move off of it, so let's see how that goes here going into today. Let's take a look at the SPX here at our Elliott wave count, and again, we're expecting an Elliott wave 4. It could be a wave 4 triangle, right, and then we'll see how it goes from there. Again, we are still expecting a wave 5 up, but we just don't know if this is going to pull back first before going, so we need to continue to monitor that. Let's take a look at the S&P futures here again. This actually gave a nice setup pre-market, a 10-point move here off of this 5-minute candle right here as it held our signal zone lows, guys. This is very, very valuable stuff, and boom, signal zone to signal zone here this morning, but a quick, easy 10-point, well, I won't say easy, but a quick 10-point move here this morning pre-market, right, and then this chop into the open, a little bit of a bull flag to kind of retest these levels, and a quick reversal off of here, off of those levels as well. So again, some reactive trading action here today. Very, very interesting stuff. Let's take a look at the MES. Okay, so MES, again, same thing right here, just chopping over back in the middle of the triangle range from overnight. Let's see with the Qs. We talked about the Qs here this morning. Again, another triangle here today, broke down pre-market, launched back through the range here. IWM, this one is actually struggling here. It lost its geometric line, lost the 15 orb low, and now it's just trying to do a little bit of a rally. See how far it can go on that one. The XLF, again, big spike, guys. We talked about in the bubble report this morning. We talked about bouncing back and forth through this channel right here. We got a nice breakout there this morning, and in that breakout, we pointed out Bank of America on the live stream this morning because, hey, it's bullish, right? Nice breakout. Of course, it came back to retest it. Now it's kind of doing its thing here again. So that being said, let's take a look at the stock names that we like to look at. Let's take a look at Apple. Okay, so Apple has been really strong here today, guys. Just a nice move intraday. Good dip buy. Members pointed out this morning. It gave a nice dip buy here this morning. Nice inside 5 up. Overall, good relative strength on it, and a nice move overall, right? Got oversold really quickly to bounce off a couple of our key levels, and then gave a nice move up here today, and it's just been kind of hanging out there today. So good stuff there on Apple. Unfortunately, Tesla has not been playing along. It's still in its downtrend, still in its trend box, and it lost its triangle here this morning as well. Came back, retested it, and kind of gave a couple good short opportunities on Tesla here today. So good stuff there, and it's actually working its way down here nicely. We just pointed it down. 675 is kind of our target. We had 675.81 today, so good to go on Tesla. So nice stuff there. A couple other ideas here that we had. Like I said, we pointed out Bank of America at the open today, so that gave us a nice quick move right here to basically get up to and form its 15 orb high. Tilray was an overnight idea that we had yesterday. That's still continuing to work its way down. It still looks pretty good. I wouldn't chase it now. CGC was also on our bearish radar going in today. That's getting some nice continued follow through the downside. And Home Depot was on our bearish radar as well, and that gave a little bit of a pop here this morning, but kind of quickly retreated back and is now below the pre-market lows as it kind of grinds lower. So again, Home Depot is not an easy one to trade, but we talked about it yesterday and ended up giving some good follow through on that one. So a couple chart requests out there. We got AMD with an epic dip buy here this morning too. So a nice move here on AMD. Basically, still hanging on to its 200-day moving average. So let's see how that goes here for AMD. Nvidia again, also nice strong move here today. Back to test the daily cloud. So let's see if that can get any follow through here. Twitter up again today. Again, this is a great shout out from Paul the other day, from yesterday, from the bubble report, and they also called it in the live stream on Monday. Just incredible follow through here on Twitter. I love it. PLTR. This one is just kind of still chopping around here at the ADMA. Just no go on that one right now. Snow having trouble getting on these levels, guys. We need to see some volume break out of this area right here. Snap, we talked about in the bubble report this morning. So again, kind of a doji pause move up here to the cloud. Again, this had some unusual call activity yesterday. We highlighted that in our bubble report this morning and ended up getting some good action today. And Amazon, guys, with the doji sandwich up, you gotta love it. So nice move there on Amazon today, and still showing relative strength, right? As it's really just pushing its way back up into the old triangle range. So pretty cool stuff there. Anyway, guys, great chart request today. I really appreciate everybody for tuning in. We'll see you guys at the market wrap, and until then, stay healthy out there, and remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game.